In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create audiobooks using ElevenLabs AI. Whether you're an author looking to reach a wider audience or a reader who loves to consume books on the go, this tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of transforming your written words into an audiobook using advanced AI technology. But before we dive in, I want to mention that you can use our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. It's a great way to support our channel while getting started with this powerful tool. To begin, once you've signed into your ElevenLabs account, direct your attention to the left panel of the interface where you'll see an option labeled Studio. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the main area where all your audio magic happens. Once you're in the studio, your next step is to create a fresh project. Look for the option that says New Blank Project and click on it. Here, you'll be prompted with different project types, and for our purpose today, you'll want to select the key Audio Project. This setup is specifically geared for generating your audiobook. With your project format selected, it's time to upload the document you want to turn into an audiobook. On the main screen, locate and click on Document. This feature allows you to import the content you wish to convert. Make sure the document is properly formatted and appropriately titled to ensure a smooth and accurate conversion. After uploading your document, you'll be directed to the right panel where you can choose the voice that will narrate your audiobook. 11. Labs offers a multitude of voice options, including ones that you can customize to align perfectly with the tone and mood of your book. Select the voice you have previously created or choose from the available samples. Keep in mind that each voice can bring a different dimension to your storytelling. So, choose the one that best fits your narrative style. Once you've made your selection, ElevenLabs AI will begin generating your audiobook audio. This process is relatively quick, but varies depending on the length and complexity of your document. While the audio is being generated, you have the opportunity to listen to it and make any necessary edits within the audio editor. The editor interface is user-friendly, allowing you to refine the sound quality, adjust pauses, and ensure the overall flow of the narration is just right. And there you have it. Those are the essential steps to creating an audiobook using ElevenLabs AI. It's a remarkably efficient way to bring your written words to life and reach new audiences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to use our affiliate link when signing up to support the channel. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I look forward to seeing the audiobooks you create.